eating roasted plum. And she's very happy. They are just very happy about everything. Excited. Awesome. Awesome is here. He wants to be in the video. Say hi. Gila, hi. Hi. You guys, the activities in the village is always so much fun. Like I have palm nuts with me. I selected a few. And ooh, for those who have not eaten this before, it's palm nut or palm kernel. You find it in on the palms. It's been harvested, and then at the end of the day you have something like this. You produce oil, and then after that you can have something like this. So I saw a beautiful I just had so much fun being with these kids. The joy they had, they were all happy. Like being in the village is just priceless, because you see the life they're living is what they know, and they really love it. You know, they were just making me laugh the entire time, telling me their names, and it was really awesome. I had a great time with the kids. Then I went and saw the other ones who were molding blocks. Just hang on a second. I was still having a conversation. As you can see behind us, there are people molding blocks. So we're gonna go say hi to them, and then you see how it's being done in the village. This is a typical December period in my village, because people are doing a lot of things, preparing for the Christmas. So welcome guys. I'm in Babungo, and this is how they mold blocks for building. I used to do these things when I was in the village, like I'll mold blocks. You see how they work? They don't believe what I'm saying, but this is what I used to do when I was back here. Like, you can see the children playing around. I'll go there. This is how they build houses in the village, like this. Right? Like this house here, this is how it's being built. They use these blocks here. At the end of the day, you can have something like this. Yeah. We don't use cement block in the village. Like just a few people, they use cement block. They mix like this. Okay, they have this dry part here. When they do this dry part, at the end of the day, you have to mix this one with water. You can see water over here. You mix it with water and they carry like this. Okay, I'll take you to where they're doing it. They form it like this, and when it gets dry, when it gets dry, it's like this. There are about 100 blocks down here, like 100 of them. We have 100 here already. I think it's to complete this house. Over here. You can see children playing. You can even get a lot of noise over here. It's always like this. It's beautiful. I tell you guys, it's good being here, because you can do this, and at the end of the day, it's beautiful. Life here is beautiful, amazing.
Good night. Yes, I can see. Bah.
This is like me. Could get out of a can't need that thing. Mama, that's so hard.
Yes, that's how we remove it there.
Not before.
As I was saying, I take water and you pour it.
I give a good end. My God, the way.
I'm not going to watch you talking about them.
They have to fill the form to be full. This is water here to wet the forms. So. And it is formed. Very simple. It's like that. They make the sides with water so that it can be smooth. Very smooth. It comes out perfect. Yeah, this is this little guy here.
Yeah.
That's how it's formed. That's it. You guys, life here is beautiful. It's beautiful. Like, you look at this and you remember your childhood. That's it. It's being formed. I met these happy children here. They're just having fun. They just want to be in the video. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. So they are just having fun. They're in the village just having fun. They wanted to be in the video. And I was like, why don't I put them? Is here, Luca?
Wisdom.
Wisdom. This is wisdom. And this is... And this is... Giovanni, and you are... Success. So you can hear their names. Wisdom. So